back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on a USA road trip, we stopped in Palm Springs for the night and decided to stay at Paloma. Once we arrived, we were greeted at reception to check in. This room had lots of bright pops of colour and definitely gave us a taste of what was to come. Shortly after, we were shown to our room. First impressions, the room was very bright and colourful. There was a small dining table with a menu, and we also found a touchscreen iPad with information about the hotel and prices for their restaurant. The bedside table had a built-in self-charging station, which was a great touch. Next to the bed was a wardrobe, which had bathrooms, an iron, and a safe. The room also had a kitchenette for tea and coffee. There was an ice bucket and a full-size fridge. The fridge contained a few items that could be purchased. The bathroom was a surprise. It was so large and spacious. There was a few extra toiletries and a large shower. Our room also had its own private seating area. Now it's time to explore the rest of the hotel. Also had a bar, so we could have a swim and a drink and soak up the Palm Springs desert sunshine. Next to the pool was an on-site restaurant where they served breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Other facilities of the hotel included a fitness center and free parking. We had a great stay at Paloma. The hotel is conveniently located and the amazing pool won us over. It definitely gave us those Palm Spring vibes. We really hope you enjoyed watching our stay. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.